Hey guys, Taylor Mathis here, the KEYTLaw girl, marketing director and legal assistant at KEYTLaw. Today I'm going to tell you guys how to set up bookkeeping for your LLC quick and easy. And since I know you all love KEYTLaw, don't forget to like this video and comment if you found it helpful. And be sure to subscribe to our channel because we upload new content every single week to help with your legal needs. So a good bookkeeping system is a critical part of operating your LLC. Every serious business must maintain proper books and records, and a good bookkeeping system can also prevent or discover theft and will keep everything for your LLC organized. Tracking the transfer of money is super important because then the owner knows who received money and if there is an inconsistency that needs to be investigated or fixed. One of the first things that members of your new Arizona LLC should do is consult with an experienced accountant to set up or to help set up the LLC's bookkeeping system. The longer the LLC delays setting up its bookkeeping system, the more expensive and difficult the process will become. So we use QuickBooks here at KEYTLaw. There's a desktop version, but we use the cloud version because then it's updated and saved every single day. And if your LLC sets up its QuickBooks bookkeeping correctly in the beginning and enters all financial information into the system, it will save management a ton of time and headache and reduce the cost of the LLC's accountant to prepare the LLC tax returns. So there it is, an easy system and way to set up your books for your LLC. Don't forget to like this video and comment with any questions that you guys might have. And of course, subscribe to our channel as always for more helpful videos.